This one for Big Mike and Andy. Come.
Quiet still, you feel there's nothing going on until you realize the space behind your eyes is filling up with something like peace. Your thoughts cease, pleasure grows in your soul. I ain't a Christian, sometimes I feel like dissing them, but listen, I'm just trying to tell you what I know. If you would once relax, chill to the max, these words on wax will cause sweet bells to ring in your soul. If I say God is alive, I know you'd wanna know why babies die. Food don't grow wide, train smash, planes crash, situation lash, and slam bam, your fellow man, money's in fashion. It ain't rational, because damn it, he didn't just give us the planet and its wealth. Deep inside your soul, he left a piece of himself. The Lord is in here, his voice is small, you keep lying and trying, denying the call from inside. You can't hide responsibility, so decide from today just how it's gonna be. Thou shalt have no other God but me. He can set you free, see, but you have to listen. And who's that false idol I see you kissing? Money, success, and untold wealth, good health, and all you have to do is love yourself. It's a fact, you'll attract all the things that you lack, so just chill and get off the racetrack and take a pace back. Face facts, it's your decision. You don't need eyes to see, you need vision. Continue to view the Lord as being separated, and you're living a lie that's been perpetrated for many centuries. I wanna mention these facts in my rap. I don't sing, but I wanna share the peace that it brings. My name is G.O.D., the Grand Oral Disseminator. My name is G.O.D., the Grand Oral Disseminator. So take my words on the base, taste and then swallow me. No chasing the devil, cause you're level if you follow me for quality. And I'll make no apology for linking my thinking with computer technology, cause this is like a modern day hymn for the new church. I'll search for the truth, I got a hole in my tooth, I'm uncouth, yeah. I got a street university where we learn to earn even in times of adversity. And I would find the easy way out of a hard time. Petty crime sometime, but now I'm inclined to find a fresh direction. Kiss me neck, check out the funky section, cause this is the part where I start to impart words of comfort coming straight from my heart. I'm not a mystic, my views are realistic, simplistic. One special brew, I get pissed quick and get sick, so I don't do it no more. I will find peace of mind rolling around on the floor. The point I wanna make is you could never escape from your fate. The mistake is to take without giving from within. You wanna know how I'm living? I'm cool, I'm looking after myself, and I would never put wealth before my spirit. I fear it's unhealthy. The devil creep around you so stealthy, stealthy till you get bold. Rush the gold before you're much older. Your soul is sold, where's it getting you? Competition starts sweating you, gold diggers setting you up, soon be forgetting your existence. Do you need it, for instance? I have to admire your persistence in sticking to a game plan that brings you pain, man. And at the end of the day, nothing is gained. So listen to the voice within. I'll see you later. Pay heed to the Grand Oral Disseminator. To the Grand Oral Disseminator. Pay heed to the Grand Oral Disseminator. Pay heed to the Grand Oral Disseminator. Yeah. Treat me nice. I got trouble on my left, trouble on my right. Trouble see my leg and try to take a bite, but I feel no sting, because when I swing on the set, I never fret, I'm doing my thing. In case you never know, I love to play rap, snap on another B-side and watch me ride. But I got another thing for those who don't believe. If you're expecting me to sing, you better leave. How to exit the back door. The cat flap, don't start your complaining cause I'm tired of that. If you don't like rap, jump back and make room for the people in the houses of the boom. I ain't apologizing for organizing beats in a fashion you may find surprising. I'm passionate, mashing it up for the better duck, cause I don't give a beat. Yeah.
At the count of three, keep me to on, man.
It's like that, yo.
At the count of three, keep me to on, man.
Come on. Yeah.
At the count of three, keep me to on, man.
Yeah.
At the count of three, keep me to on,
We
man.
ain't joking. 16 years and we still sound raw. Still got shit you never heard before. Still influential, experimental. Still kick the rhyme over the instrumental. I still get rockers coming up to me. They tell me, Matty, the party's over finally. Still they can't see, so them can't be free. Still listen to the Stones and who, Tom Petty? Still, I bet you know ill will. You're scared of moving up cause you ain't got the skill. Another meal, rock and rollers rolling over the hill until you reach the cold concrete and keep still. A second, I know you're running out the shackles, so slide, run away and hide, Dr. Jekyll. Still I can't see why you have to be running your big rock and roll mouth on me.
At the count of three,
Yeah.
keep me to on, man.
George who?
At the count of three, keep me to on, man.
Check it out, yo.
At the count of three, keep me to on, man. At the count of three, keep me to on, man.
People screwing, ask me what you doing, chewing on my soul food to ensure they don't ruin my mood. I got them coming and going, I got them toing and throwing, I got them queuing in a line, confused, bruised, I'm blowing, cause we're growing to a level, never settle for slip shots. Going out a shot to my man, I worship God. In any way that he choose to manifest in any contest, we impress, hair, favor, clothes, mess, blessed with the gift to express on our burn test. Yes, intestinal steel from yard, unless you got the juice like Bruce, you're gonna die hard scarred, delivered like a flashing blade. I get paid to raid and your bed's unmade, you've been laid to rest, I got it off my chest, you're in a mess, at best, just like a wreck, no respect, you need to go scrub off your neck.
At the count of three.